Hello everyone, so I am back with another video about the best silent keyboard you can buy on Amazon. Subscribing to our channel and pressing the bell icon will give you access to more interesting videos. The following list is based on my personal opinion and research, and is ranked based on quality, features and pricing. Check out the links in the description below for updated pricing and more information on the products mentioned. If you've experienced the clamor of people typing in offices or lecture halls, you understand how distracting it can be. Keyboards, a staple for computer users since the IBM Model M, have undergone advancements to diminish their noise. Innovations range from quiet mechanical switches to sound-absorbing foam within keyboard cases. Typically, keyboard noise originates from switch operations, with mechanical switches being the loudest, while scissor and rubber dome switches offer quieter options. Factors such as materials, keycap size, shape, and typing intensity also affect noise. After testing 200 keyboards, we've compiled recommendations for the top quiet keyboards. If you have specific needs, explore our guides for optimal typing, programming, and gaming keyboards. A video guide has been prepared to help you choose the best silent keyboard. Let's begin. At number 5 is Corsair K55 RGB Pro XT. Gaming keyboards can be disruptive during late-night gaming sessions, especially when living with others. To address this, the Corsair K55 RGB Pro XT offers a prime solution. This full-size keyboard comes equipped with gaming essentials, such as RGB backlighting, dedicated macro keys, and comprehensive media controls. Notably, it employs nearly silent rubber dome switches with a substantial tactile bump. This bump enhances keystroke control and minimizes noise, making it an ideal choice for quiet gaming. Furthermore, the keyboard's compatibility with Corsair's IQ software allows seamless customization of lighting across multiple Corsair devices. The result is an immersive gaming experience without disturbing those around you. At number 4 is Microsoft Bluetooth Keyboard. For a budget-friendly alternative, the Microsoft Bluetooth keyboard is recommended. While its price can fluctuate, it's advised to await a sale for a potentially lower cost. Unlike the Logitech signature K650, this keyboard solely employs Bluetooth connectivity and is limited to one device at a time. While not suited for multi-device setups, it serves as an economical and straightforward option. With a sleek low-profile design reminiscent of the Microsoft Surface keyboard, it offers comfortable typing without the need for a wrist rest. Beneath the surface, rubber dome switches ensure a near-silent typing experience, suitable for quiet environments. Priced around $40 but often available at half the cost during sales, patience for the right deal is worthwhile. For those seeking a more economical wired option, consider the Dell KB216. It shares similar basic functionality and a low-profile design. At number 3 is Logitech Signature K650. The Logitech Signature K650 stands as an excellent budget-friendly option, especially suitable for those less familiar with technology. While lacking extensive customization software and not reaching the premium quality of pricier alternatives, it boasts ergonomic attributes for comfortable typing. The integrated wrist rest provides solid wrist support, and the keys are thoughtfully positioned for minimal wrist strain. The keyboard employs rubber dome switches, known for their quiet operation, even though they might feel a bit soft, offering near-silent keystrokes. Wireless connectivity is facilitated via the included USB receiver or Bluetooth. It supports pairing with one device per connection method, allowing easy switching with a dedicated function key. Furthermore, the keyboard features dedicated media keys for effortless control over media playback and volume adjustments during work or leisure activities. At number 2 is Logitech MX Keys. For those working in communal environments like open offices, shared workspaces, or homes with family, the Logitech MX Keys emerges as the ultimate solution and the top-ranking quiet keyboard in our evaluations. This sophisticated full-sized keyboard boasts user-friendliness, catering to individuals of varying technical expertise. Whether inserting the USB receiver or utilizing Bluetooth, you can connect it to up to 3 devices simultaneously, streamlining your work experience. Notably, its sleek design and solid plastic casing contribute to minimal typing noise by reducing hollow space that could generate resonance. The keyboard's flat profile enhances typing comfort, eliminating the need to strain wrists while accessing the key tops. Moreover, the keycaps feature rounded indents at their centers, facilitating accurate typing by guiding your fingers naturally. Now moving to the last one is Logitech K780. The Logitech K780 is a versatile keyboard compatible with computers, tablets, and smartphones through both USB and Bluetooth smart wireless connections. It enables typing across 3 devices with seamless switching via an easy switch button. Featuring a full-sized layout, the keyboard includes large, quiet keys along with a convenient number pad. It also serves as a device stand, positioning your devices at an optimal angle for typing and reading. The K780 is compatible with a range of systems including Windows, Mac, Chrome OS, iOS, and Android devices. So guys, this was the video about the best silent keyboard. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button, tell us in the comments section about which one you like the most, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.